Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Want to boost your affiliate commissions and convert more visitors? Let's simplify how to build funnels for your affiliate offers step by step. Building funnels for affiliate offers. Step-by-step strategy. A sales funnel guides your visitors from curious browsers to paying customers. Here's how to build one that converts. Capture attention. Use blog posts, ads, or social media to bring people in with helpful, relevant content. Collect leads. Offer a freebie like an ebook, checklist, or webinar in exchange for their email. This builds your list and trust. Nurture your audience. Send a series of emails with valuable info, product reviews, and personal stories to warm them up. Why this works. Funnels help you build a relationship and trust with your audience before pitching. Instead of hoping for one-time clicks, you create multiple chances to convert, increasing your affiliate revenue. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.